Welcome back to Shin's Kitchen, and today we will be making this easy honey garlic salmon recipe. This will be perfect for date night dinner, right? To a bowl, we're going to add some light soy sauce. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon of honey. Please remember, you can find the exact measurements in the description below. Next, we're going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic, and we're going to mix this together. Trust me, it is smelling so good. We are going to put this aside and work on seasoning our salmon. I have my salmon here looking pink and nice. We're going to add some white pepper. Please like and subscribe. On cayenne pepper. Please check the descriptions. The exact measurements are there. We're going to add some paprika. So my paprika is almost finished, so I have to beat the bottle. We're going to add some chili flakes, which are optional. We are going to add some lemon pepper and salt to taste. Add a drizzle of olive oil so that it's easy to rub the dry seasoning. Listen, you should add the olive oil before. Can you see how I was struggling here? I had to add some more. So add your olive oil first, then your dry seasoning. Please give this video a thumbs up. So right here, my salmon was looking so good. Like I could put it in the oven just like this. We're going to add our sauce. We're going to evenly distribute our sauce all over the top of our salmon. So once you're adding the sauce to the top, just move it around a little so that it can get to the bottom. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe. So once my sauce is evenly distributed and everything is looking good, it's looking good, right? So we're going to put this in an oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. In between, you are going to take out your salmon and spoon some sauce all over it. And trust me, your significant other will love you for this. So here, our salmon is finished. My camera is not doing justice to how gorgeous and delicious this looks. So you can pair this with some broccoli, some white rice, anything you want. As I said, this is perfect for Valentine's Day, which is coming up. So go ahead and impress your lover. This honey garlic salmon is so delicious and tasty. I do recommend that you give it a try. Hit the like button. Please subscribe. Bye bye.